Yup.
Did that switch on me?
Sup, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's up, my guy?
What you saying?
Yo, Sam, bro. I'm big sexy, dog.
Oh.
Hit your brakes. No buenos, bros. There's no...
Do your blinkers again?
Is the right working?
Yeah.
And left?
Yeah.
Yeah. No brakes, though.
No brakes?
Try brakes now. No brakes. It's double... Yeah, I'm not sure. What kind of exhaust are you using, bro?
I got JBA Shorty Headers.
Yeah.
No cats, no muff. I got the X pipe straightened. No resonators. It's basically just.
Also, it's H pipe. It's
Oh
not,
yeah,
yeah.
it's H pipe. It's not.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the X pipe actually has a different sound.
Yeah.
And I don't know. It doesn't sound nice to me. So I straightened it out. So it's just engine to ass.
Yeah. Yeah.
With the 3.5 tips on her.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she sounds nasty. You've heard her.
What? Louder than your girlfriend last night. Damn.
Dude,
Mopar's a
no.
Durham.